Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we'll be exploring the best pool tile ideas. Let's dive into these stunning designs and discover what makes them both beautiful and practical for your pool space. I love the deep blue mosaic tiles in this pool area. They create a striking contrast with the neutral walls and floor. The waterfall feature is both visually appealing and adds a soothing sound, enhancing relaxation. The potted plants soften the concrete and bring in a touch of nature. Functionally, the mosaic tiles are durable and easy to clean, making them a practical choice. The waterfall also aids in water circulation. To improve this space, I would add more plants or comfortable seating for a more inviting lounge area. Additionally, some ambient lighting would make it perfect for evening use. I really appreciate the clean, modern look of this pool area. The light blue tiles give the pool a refreshing and inviting feel. The covered patio with wooden beams adds a rustic touch, perfectly balancing the sleek, white exterior of the house. The seating area looks cozy and ideal for relaxing after a swim. Functionally, the spacious deck around the pool is great for hosting gatherings and ensures safety by providing ample walking space. The wooden beams not only add charm, but also provide structural support for the patio. To enhance this space, I would add some colorful outdoor cushions or plants to make the seating area more vibrant. Also, some ambient lighting would make it perfect for evening use. I love the clean and modern design of this pool area. The sleek lines of the pool and the light-colored tiles create a bright and inviting atmosphere. The addition of the stainless steel handrail adds both a functional and aesthetic element, making it easier to enter and exit the pool while enhancing the contemporary look. The surrounding seating area is minimalist, which I appreciate for its uncluttered appearance, though I would add some comfortable lounge chairs or an outdoor sofa to create a more relaxing vibe. To make this space even better, I'd consider incorporating some greenery or potted plants to add a touch of nature and warmth to the setting. I adore the cozy and vibrant look of this poolside setup. The mix of colorful throw pillows on the sofa creates a welcoming and cheerful atmosphere. The lush greenery in the background adds a sense of privacy and nature, which I find incredibly soothing. The stone wall provides a nice rustic contrast to the modern furniture. I particularly like the mosaic tile edging of the pool, which adds a playful and elegant touch to the space. However, I would suggest adding a small side table next to the sofa for drinks and snacks. Also, incorporating an umbrella for shade would make this area more comfortable on sunny days. I'm really impressed with this chic and tropical pool area. The white furniture and fencing create a clean, bright look that feels refreshing and modern. The straw umbrella adds a fun, beachy vibe, perfect for a relaxing day by the pool. I appreciate the pops of greenery from the potted plants, which bring a bit of nature into the space. The pink side table is a cute, playful touch that ties the look together. The mosaic tile in the pool is stunning, with its light blue hue that enhances the water's sparkle. To improve this setup, I'd add a couple of cushioned lounge chairs for ultimate comfort. This luxurious pool area instantly caught my eye with its sophisticated design. I love the infinity edge of the pool, which creates a seamless look and enhances the modern aesthetic. The blue pool tiles are striking, making the water appear even more inviting and refreshing. The surrounding landscaping is meticulously maintained, with manicured bushes and elegant palm plants that add a touch of greenery without overwhelming the space. The elevated position of the pool offers stunning views, making it a perfect spot for relaxation. However, I would add some comfortable lounge chairs on the patio to enhance the usability of this area. Additionally, installing a few more ambient lights around the pool would create a magical atmosphere for evening swims. I really enjoy the sleek and contemporary vibe of this pool area. The turquoise mosaic tiles give the pool a vibrant and refreshing look, making the water sparkle beautifully in the sunlight. The built-in spa is a fantastic feature, offering a relaxing spot to unwind. The dark fence adds a nice contrast to the bright pool, and the vertical plants along the fence bring in some much-needed greenery. However, I think adding a few more decorative elements, like some colorful outdoor cushions or a small water feature, could make the space feel even more inviting. A couple of lounge chairs would also enhance the functionality, providing a perfect spot for sunbathing. I appreciate the practicality and family-friendly design of this backyard pool setup. The above-ground pool with its sturdy deck provides a safe and accessible swimming area. The blue patterned pool tiles are a nice touch, adding visual interest and giving the water a vibrant, inviting look. I like the white railing with black spindles on the deck. It offers a stylish contrast while ensuring safety. However, I think the space could be improved by adding some comfortable outdoor seating or loungers on the deck, making it a more inviting spot to relax. Additionally, incorporating some potted plants or outdoor decor would enhance the overall aesthetic and make the area feel more complete. I love the cozy feel of this backyard pool area. The blue diamond patterned pool tiles add elegance and make the water vibrant. The wooden deck is spacious, perfect for lounging and socializing. The black pergola with white curtains creates a beautiful focal point and offers a shaded spot for relaxation or dining, which I find very appealing. The assortment of blue and white lounge chairs enhances the coastal vibe. To improve this space, I would add soft outdoor cushions and a few potted plants around the deck for more color and comfort. Adding fairy lights around the pergola would create a magical atmosphere for evening swims. I'm enchanted by the Bohemian charm of this pool area. The intricate green and white pool tiles add a lovely decorative touch and make the water look so inviting. The mix of rattan furniture and soft poofs under the fringed umbrella creates a relaxing and stylish retreat. I love the use of natural textures and earthy tones, which blend beautifully with the surrounding greenery. To make this space even better, I'd add some fairy lights around the umbrella for a magical evening ambiance. A few more potted plants would also enhance the cozy, garden-like feel. I'm captivated by the luxurious and serene feel of this pool area. The deep blue pool tiles give the water a rich, inviting color that looks incredibly refreshing. The stone columns and pergola with cascading water create a stunning focal point and add a touch of elegance to the space. I love how the water feature provides both visual and auditory relaxation. The surrounding greenery on the walls enhances the tranquil atmosphere. To improve this space, I'd add some comfortable lounge chairs with soft cushions under the pergola for shaded relaxation. Incorporating some subtle lighting around the pool and water feature would make this area perfect for evening swims and gatherings. I really enjoy the fun and relaxed vibe of this pool area. The light gray pool tiles give the space a clean and modern look, while the light color makes the water appear even more refreshing. The pink flamingo float adds a playful touch that I love. The seating area with the umbrella provides a nice spot for lounging in the shade, and the small bistro table is perfect for casual meals or drinks by the pool. To enhance this space, I would add a few more potted plants to bring in some greenery and warmth. Some colorful outdoor cushions on the chairs would also make the seating area more inviting. I'm absolutely mesmerized by the rich, deep blue tiles of this pool. They give the water an incredibly luxurious and inviting appearance. The textured tiles on the steps add a nice detail that enhances the overall aesthetic while providing a practical, non-slip surface. The simplicity of the surrounding deck allows the stunning pool to take center stage. To improve this space, I would add some comfortable lounge chairs with bright cushions to introduce a pop of color and create a cozy lounging area. A few large potted plants around the pool would also add a touch of greenery and make the area feel more vibrant and welcoming. I'm in awe of this serene and luxurious pool area. The soft, light blue pool tiles create a tranquil and inviting water surface that perfectly complements the lush green surroundings. The covered daybed is an amazing feature, providing a cozy and shaded spot to relax and unwind. The tropical plants along the wall add a touch of nature and enhance the exotic feel of the space. I love the wooden elements, which give the area a warm and natural vibe. To make the space even better, I would add a few colorful cushions on the daybed to introduce a playful touch. Some soft lighting around the pool would also create a magical atmosphere for evening relaxation. I adore the vibrant and inviting feel of this backyard pool area. The dark blue pool tiles give the water a rich, sophisticated look that complements the lush greenery surrounding the space. The seating area with orange umbrellas adds a fun and cheerful touch, providing shade and a pop of color. The mix of potted plants and cushions enhances the cozy, garden-like atmosphere, making it perfect for relaxation and socializing. To make the space even better, I'd add a few outdoor lanterns or string lights for evening ambiance. Additionally, incorporating a couple of side tables would be practical for holding drinks and snacks, making the lounging experience even more enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed these stunning pool ideas. From elegant tiles to cozy seating, there's inspiration for every style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. Thanks for watching and happy designing.